So, August, year 29, I am Kanian Talanya Magnay Jimentisa Jr., also known as Mrs. Kanian Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. I will talk now about August year 2019. It is 24-year-old of myself. My birthday celebration is Corina did bought cake from Instagram. And then Corina bought cake from Instagram. And then my visitor only is Tito Alan. Tito Ninong Alan. Minsan is nangyay. Pwede ba yun? Ay, no. And then, what I am saying is the year 2019, month of August. Year 2019, I am with Quezon. The Quezon family, black and white, black and white. Eyesight on news, not news, on Google, Manuel Quezon Jr. And then I read about article of how it is being killed. Oh, it is good that I talk because they is black and white. They is 19th century being dead. Kaya nga, nakakagulantang. I not know what is happening. At the moment, my left forehead is sleepy, and then my left eye is sleepy. Hilig kami ni Alex. Alam ko niyan. And then, talking, such as to the Manuel Quezon Sr. Manuel, what is the middle name? Manuel, Manuel L. Quezon. Manuel, grade school, Manuel L. Quezon. Myself is dizzy. I feel dizziness because of the name, middle initial. Oh, Manuel. Oh, what I say, Manuel A. Rojas, Manuel L. Quezon, naman something such that, naman dizziness during grade school. Hmm? The L is being not emphasized on Manuel Quezon Senior. I not know why. And then I could hear voice of a person on my left ear. Hmm? I'm not scared. The voice is such as snubber. I not know why. Snubber is the voice. Does it hurt? No. But myself is scared onto something. Dun Alex ka. I'll talk more. During year 2019, I am talkative. I am just inside of my bedroom and then talking. When I saw the face of Manuel Quezon Senior, year 2019, it is BFG Lolo, looks similar face. BFG Lolo, no, not similar face. They not similar face. Parang the voice on my ear is body movement of ayako total imot ko. Christian Gabon. When I hear Christian Gabon voice on my right ear, it is such as the voice on the left ear. But the difference, the not similar, is snubber. And then the voice of Christian Gabon during year 2024 is such as Napio, yung something such that. I not know. And then, I am thinking of when is BFG Lolo because my mouth is talkative, redundant on BFG Lolo. Not redundant, not redundant. BFG Lolo. I feel scared. I feel scared. Not to a person. I not know something. Think ko. I'm not scared to the person that talks, but I am scared. This is Alex. 2018. Year 2018. Ah, minus my. Talking is better to do. Year 2018, I say already that is my first time to drink fresh milk on carton. And then I feel dizzy. My tongue turns to violet color. What does it mean, violet color tongue? I not know. My description, poison. I not know. The voice is telling me why I not like Bobo camouflage. They is a specific person, not all of them. And then, I feel scared to their uniform. Hindi diri ako. I feel illness. There is new uniform. I am behave. Not want to talk about it. Ang sakit sa mata. It is ache on eye. The color of the camouflage. Something bright color. Na want din. BFG Lolo. When is BFG Lolo? BFG Lolo is year 2018. I say, looks similar to BFG Lolo. And then when I cite Manuel Quezon Senior face year 2019, that is my first encounter to cite that about his face, about that person face. Pogi. Hmm. Guwapo. Guwapo. Black and white pogi. But that is the truth. Ang guwapo. What was she? Ang guwapo. Pogi. And then, that is my first impression, pogi. Guwapo. Kay Alex Jr. ko yung pogi. Next, BFG Lolo. 2018 BFG Lolo. Ate Glyza lingers on my right eye. You not know why. Ate Glyza. My memory to Ate Glyza is to Bobo camouflage. And then, nalilate na siya. She should be on Taguig or Ciudad NCR residence. I not know why. Nalilate being on, not on time, not on hour, not on time. About being a residence on a specific location. I not know the reason, but that is my memory to her. I feel shocked when I cite Ate Glyza year 2023, and then that is the self of her. Not know. Tingin ko. I not know. I feel dizzy when I cite such that. Dizzy. Left eye is dizzy. Tingin ko. And then, now, BFG Lolo. Year 2021, it is being says. BFG Lolo. Oh my god. Lingers Dante ang I don't know why. And then, I don't know what it means. Ako lover ni Alex. Corazon, middle name of Alex ko. I don't want to talk about it. Damn it. They is black and white. And then during that moment, year 2019, my mouth talks about sino mga gwapong presidente? Something such that. Oh, there is person that interfere. Is that interfere or sense of humor of myself? I not know. I say Manuel Quezon. Manuel Quezon, pang ilan siya? I not know. Manuel Quezon, the Mexican, President Putin. Tatlo only. Tingin ko. And then, the Quezon vibes is on my left forehead during year 2019, year 2019, year 2021. BFG Lolo is animation movie. What it is, why I feel to bother myself. Hmm? There is person on the right eye. Chismosa. What else? Ako ko na yan. Never let's go. I just I just say the truth. They pops up they lingers. So I will say it. Kaya nga, BFG Lolo, I say it year 2021, not year 2019. BFG Lolo. Ang pogi niya. Ang gwapo. Lover ko, Alex ko, loyal is me to Alex Jr. ko. Pogi. The portion is Tahinga. And then in here. And then Hilay. And then, oh, ganda ko. Ah, gay to this? No, no. Oh, I cite Manuel Quezon Jr. Looks like a gay, such as a gay gender. Ang cute niya. He is such as baby boy and then polite. Oh, English. Myself is a starter on English. Begin basic is me. I like it. It is fun. It is happy happy. And then the vibes of Manuel Quezon Jr. is such a teacher in English dialecto. I not know why. Such a sunbook. Not know. May nagpaparamdam in here. Someone tends to be noticed, tends to feel in here. Oh, book. Oh, that is good. And then, the phrase I cite on about Manuel Quezon Jr. is on Google. Parang butiki. Ang ganda. Fa- uh, Manuel Quezon Sr. looks like butiki lizard. I not know why. Pogi, guwapo. Pogi, guwapo. Aurora, mabait, kind person, good person. Mabait siya, mabait na mabait. Oh, long live. But black and white she is. She is already dead. Yeah. I am with as well. Year 2021, I hear their voice. During year 2021, myself talks on English dialecto. There is a voice even though such this loud. I not know. But I like singing. Ah, ah. Something like that. I could sing on front of camera already. Starter, such as lingers, precocious. I feel shy. Ayan na. Myself is awake on shyness. And then, mm, the two sibling, the girl gender, look similar. Look similar. Not look similar. Girl gender. Why? Mm. Sister of Rachel and Jimintisa lingers in my right eye. I not know why. Akin na next to. The two sibling of Manuel Quezon Jr. is two sibling. I am thinking their face. Is that a symbol face? But this but this is my year 2019 August. Talking. I like year 2021 English speaking, talking. Damn it po. I will talk on year 2019. Bait. I need to boost myself. But this is myself at the moment. I will talk. I am on a situation of 7 year of black magic, and then year 2025 it is 8 year of 7 year black 8 year already of black magic. It starts year 2017. What else? Mm, this is peaceful it is year 2019 about my August month celebration. Year 2019 and then year 2020 as well. Peaceful. The year 2021. Oh my god. Oh, excuse me. I'm not on that moment at this situation of myself. I am an 8 year black magic. What else it is? The PFG Lolo. During year 2019, it is such as I don't know how they do such that. It is such this, and then they tend to such this. I don't know. And then it could not interfere in my right eye. I don't know what is the distance. If it is such this, the distance is such this. Ganon. That is, no, I will say of such this. That is mine as well. This is skin. And then, ganon. Does not touch my skin of a person. I don't know why. Behave with me. They tend to touch my skin at the situation on the 7 year black magic. And damn it, Hope. Why? Because maybe this is a doing of specific person. But I am already on a situation of consistency on the black on nail. Meaning of it, my skin is not such this color. Not such this color. It is gray or white. I don't know. It is myself during high school. I'm not boastful. It is returning on myself. I need to. May lasa at may Shopee, ma?
Hindi, ano daw, convert.
Chinese Empire. Nanonood ka?
Hindi, mamaya magluluto na lang. Tayo muna ito is ano. Yan.
I will just get water. Standard yun eh. Standard. Chinese speaks. Hi. What do I think of when it comes on to that? Lumalabas. Dapat focuses menu 2019. Okay, 73. I am talking about Manuel Quezon Sr. Son, 7 8 year Black Magic. I tend to year 2019 looking onto their photos on Google, black and white. And then I have a question to him. What is him during his administration? I not know. Beside of being president, the word name, I don't know, diba? Ay, my God. There's something on my left eye. I don't know what it means. And then, um, year 2019, I saved the photo of him on bed and then has, what you call that, paper. Not bothered during that moment. Not bothered. What is on myself is the this one about in here is no, that is on year 2021. In 2021 that is year 2021. Someone tends to know about the meaning of Indar. Once only is on myself. No, no. And then that is year 2021 when it comes on to uh, the the paper when he lays down. That is year 2021 as well. Talking. The right eye is talking. My ink is all. My I am out of ink, ball pen at the moment. That is why I'm not writing. What I'm doing is videoing myself. And then I will talk whatever I want to talk. Why do I say such that? Because there is a voice on my left ear saying, ano pa? Sabi niyo. In English translation, what else? And then, the BFG Lolo, that is what is being emphasized. What is being emphasized on BFG Lolo is the ear. And then, mga ganon. Ah, no. Na is black magic. And then, mm, what else about Manuel Quezon? The photo, Manuel Quezon Senior, black and white, is such a talking, and then I not look, na is black magic. What is on myself is year 2021. The 100 peso Rojas They is emphasize about in here on chess. I don't know what it means. Not know. About the on photo. Of what is on their photo on the chest. Color violet is Manuel Rojas. So someone is on the right eye. Mm, and then what else? Myself, not myself. The right eye is stuck on the stuck tenga. I know what the word stuck. Tenga mode meaning only on the thinking process. The about BFG Lolo, and then left eye is ache, such as this one. Feel shy. What else? They stuck. They about indoor. Ganon. In the right eye. It is an animation movie. What else? Hmm, Manuel Quezon Sr. Year 2023. Year 2023. The photo is silence, meaning to say manahimik ka. Right eye, sabi. Manahimik. The photos is manahimik. I feel on chest positivity, not negativity. Excuse me. Manuel Quezon Sr. is on land, and then uh, what they doing indoor? Is that a river? River. What I just know is ocean, river. Because on river there is ilog, sapa, ilog and then sapa. What else? Hmm. Manahimik daw. In English translation, behave. The photo says that the right eye. year 2023, myself is on Cinderella. Cinderella. Cinderella, myself is, ganun na. I don't know what it means. No, that means, information. Yes, information. 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 Something such that. Does it not makes me crazy? What it is on myself is, ah, is that why? Ganun. Exercising the brain. I not read yet about the title, those title of information. I just look on it. Hmm. I not read the information on Google about those title. I just look on it. And then, ako lover next to. What else? Nothing else. Only such that about Manuel Quezon. There is more. Photo of him on a second floor house. I not cite the outside. Only to count. Only location. The water flows and then the photo and then the Philippine land miniature. That is part of my panaginip. I will talk. What else could I say? Mm, why Manuel Rojas? I don't know. Manuel Quezon. Doon na Alex ko. Manuel Quezon. Or what else? That photo on wall. It is panaginip of myself. That panaginip is deepness. It is about that panaginip is such as category on Cinderella, Cinderella, about Cinderella, something such that. And then, uh, there is panaginip on myself. Cinderella, 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 Cinderella. Ganun. It is not includes to other panaginip. I don't know why. I'm not crazy. Konti only there is konti. Cinderella. And then, never collects ko. And then, um, I don't know what panaginip year is that. Only that is on the portion of Cinderella. The next is about Manuel Quezon Senior. None already. Another panaginip, BFG Lolo. Not Manuel Quezon. Casino, Soler. Panaginip year 20. 21, year 2021, panaginip daris. It does not yet happens. I wish it happens. I am with Lola Elsa. And then, what else? Hmm, nothing more on Manuel Quezon. The next is currently. The currently is I not want to talk about it. There is adult, but there is black and white. Wait, am I awake? Not assume, only descriptive. Wait. So I describe of what is flows on my mind. It is not similar on talking about something on saying. There is a specific person that tends to say that in my mouth during year 2022, the starts of it, until year 2023, 2024 as well, and then year 2025. On Manuel Quezon Senior, that person is being uh, say that why my why the word say is redundant. I don't want to talk at the moment. Itchy is my right forehead. Mm, long it is. It is. Could I say that? I should not want. I not want to say it. But there is black and white already. What it is about? The color of the sky is color orange at Barangay Pinagsama year 2025, year 2024. And then when it comes on to Manuel Quezon Senior, hmm, I feel dizzy. Is that BFG Lolo or Manuel Quezon Senior? I not know. Two person. Wait, dizzy. I am healthy person. I am healthy person. Healthy is me. I will do blood chem on November. On Uptown Mall, year 2023, year 2023. There is person that pops up on the right eye. Right eye there is. On front. And then, lover next ko. And then, mm, he is, that person wears cloth. Ang ganda cloth niya. I like it. Excitement is what I feel. Happy, happy. Kaya nga. Happy, happy there is. Happy, happy there is. And then, what is wonders myself is, why? It is such as heavy. Heavy food. I not know. Why? I not know. the person raise it on ottoman. Ottoman is what they calls it, such that uh, chair, ottoman dress, this one, such that being put the foot. Is that BFG Lolo or Manuel Quezon Sr.? I don't know. I feel dizzy. And then, there is no during myself in on Uptown Mall, year 2023. BFG Lolo, BFG Lolo is so uh, amazing. Why he is amazing? Why that person is amazing? Her, the clothing of him is such as what that vibes. Anong tawag sa vibes na yun? Wait lang, may self-talks on fast mode. Wait. Lover Lex ko. Also named as Manuel Quezon the First, but I not know about Manuel Quezon the First of Alex Jr. ko. And then, the vibes of the cloth is such as adult. What else when it comes to adult? Oh, the description of the right eye. Shade, I wear shade daw, black shade. On myself, the description is uh, brown leaf, such that. Brown leaf. And then province, something such that. I don't know. Brown leaf. What vibes is that? Pang adulteries. I am goodness person. Ko. Wait. Why I talk fast? I don't know. Brown leaf. Brown dry leaf. Something such that is the vibes of the cloth he wears. Word. Old. 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 Not the word of vintage. Vintage is color gray green. Gray green that is. So the color of BFG Lolo. During year 2018, I cite BFG Lolo at Mother Perpetual Health Church. Seated beside me. Lola Elsa. Smooth. Lola Elsa. Lola Elsa is seated on my left side. Lola Elsa. And then, brown leaf, dry. I don't know what it is about. Something such that. And then, mm, I not sight the face of BFG Lolo. Only the eyewear glass. And then the kuko. The kuko, the fingernail is long. Open palettes ko. Iyaw, rubber legs ko. Mamatay kang kabit. Hindi ka gusto. Iyaw ko. Guys, personal. Rubber legs ko. Brown skin color. And then, the right eye wants to myself thinks about the word on that brown dry leaf. I not know why. And then, what else about Manuel Quezon Sr.? Nothing more. More on year 2023. But it is heavy soft that I want to behave. Why? Serious? Tahimik ko. Tama si excitement. Next, nothing more to say. Oh, there is more. BFG Lolo. BFG Lolo is on house. And then Alex Jr. ko and myself going there. The bedroom of BFG Lolo is natural. Ang ganda. That house is being used, I cite it. Or it is being similar design. I not know. Lover ko, Alex ko. Why I feel hurt? Alex Jr. ko swear to myself about reproductive organ. Why? Seriousness about love life. Swear. The word swear. Person to person. Seriousness. Talking. Yeah. Ayaw ko niyan. Ayaw ko layos ka. Truthfulness is me. I will just drink water at the moment. Alex, don't lover ko. Imagination. BFG Lolo turns to that person has BFG Lolo is opposite gender of girl gender. That person has table, desk, iris color, varnish, na varnish, chocolate brown, chocolate varnish. I not know the location. And then, animation. I like animation. That is during year 2020, BFG Lolo turns himself onto angel. May pakpak. Wait, there is message. I will end my camera video at the moment. There is nothing more to say about Manuel Quezon Sr. Um, the person is targeting him, the person, but that person is black and white color. About protection, why? I not know. Yan. Oh, this is my vibes. This is my vibes. I am now on excitement feeling. And then, something such, ganun. Madam, my cell should lock such this. Such this. Even on technology. Yeah. And then I will let my mouth of such this look when I talk. But when I laugh, such this. This is that. I will end my camera video at this moment, 1 hour and 7 minutes and 52 seconds.